Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Felipé Roberto, formerly known as Felipé Charming. We're still the Charming family. Anyway, today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my spiral flat twist on my super short natural hair. So pretty much what my spiral flat twist is, it's something that I do where I flat twist my hair in the shape of a spiral. And I do this as a protective style for when I'm wearing hats. Or if I'm going to bed and I want to just have my hair like super moisturized, just to kind of help retain moisture, thus retaining length and promoting hair growth. This is for anyone who likes to wear their hats, trying to grow their hair out. When your hair is at a certain length, you can't tie your hair back and make it cute and put it in a ponytail like, you know, all fancy smancy. You can't do all that. I mean, you can wear a visor, but sometimes like, I just want to tuck my hair away and not deal with it for the day. If for someone with a full head of hair who wants to see how I do my flat twist, you can be sure to check out my flat twist on my extremely short natural hair. That's when my hair was just like a little bit shorter, but I had a full head of hair, so it gave the illusion of longer hair. If you guys like this kind of content, if you like these kind of videos, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. And yeah, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you want to see. Thumbs this video up, share with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and yeah.
I am a homo. Back at it, look back at it, look back at it, look back at it, look back at it.
I am trying to retain length, and I noticed that if I don't prep my hair for sleep, then my hair doesn't really flourish. 9 times out of 10, if you're sleeping on cotton sheets and cotton pillows, even with satin pillows, your bed sheets are always going to snatch the moisture out of your hair. So you want to make sure that your hair is really moisturized. If not every single night, you want to do it most days out of the week right before bed. You still want to opt to wear something on your head. Snatch a do-rag or a bonnet, a bonnet. Put her on your head. So yeah, what I like to do is Cantu Shea Butter Hair Dressing Pomade. I like to just take this, rub it in my hands, and kind of just moisturize the scalp on the sides of my hair. Love this stuff. I used to use this like when my hair was like really short. I would just kind of like scrunch it up as my curly hair routine. Alright, so after I do that, is religiously virtually everything that I do in my hair ever now. I take this wild growth, squeeze the bottle just a little bit, put it in my scalp, and then take a plastic pick preferably just to kind of really massage that in there, push that around on my scalp, stimulate those blood vessels, help promote hair growth. And I've been trimming my ends a lot just because I look at my old pictures and videos and things, and I'm just like, wow, I really just didn't care about my ends being all straggly. See how my hair is like all puffy and thick now? I was not like this before. It's like I've been maintaining the ends. So now what I'll do is take a little bit of water. Typically I do this when I'm like fresh out the shower, so my hair will already be wet, but take a little bit of water. There's like a little smidgen of this leave-in conditioner in here, but that's just for the scent of it. There's no other purpose, so if you just want to use water alone, that's perfectly fine. And it gets the hair damp, make it a little bit easier to work with. Now you want to take your pick or your fingers, whichever you prefer, start at the end and just start to detangle. Before you style your hair ever in life, I don't care what your texture is, mama, detangle your hair. You want to make sure you're picking your hair from the ends to the root. And be gentle, don't rush this process, just be very gentle. I feel like people with longer hair, finger detangling your hair is more optimal just because you don't want to like rip your hair out of your scalp. Now, I'll take a little bit of leave-in conditioner, Shea Moisture Red Palm Oil, and Cocoa Butter leave-in or rinse out conditioner. That's a mouthful. But I'm doing this style because I have an undercut. I don't do it in sections. I just kind of typically, you know, demonstration purposes, I will do this in 2 sections. I'll just moisturize the back and then take another pump, moisturize the front. Lather that in there. We're gonna detangle it again in a second. Make sure it's nice and coated with product. When it comes to this specific style, sometimes I'll pretty much use whatever I have on hand. Depending on your hair texture and your hair length, what makes your life easier, that's how you want to use your product. So I think I probably added too much product. Now my hair is a little more slippery and slick. I already have like tutorials detailing how I flat twist my hair, but I will briefly, just for demonstration purposes, go over it. Excuse my edges. Get these together real quick. Now, I'm gonna start with the back of my hair, and I hope you guys can see what I'm doing. It's gonna be very difficult for me to grip the outer part because the way I cut my hair, I've been cutting my hair as of recently, I regret it. I'm growing out like the little edges and bits and pieces, like this whole little bit. If this doesn't stay in, it doesn't stay in. With the rest of the hair, typically wanna just brush it up, grab everything that you can grab. If you don't have an undercut, you don't have these problems, bless your heart, but you want to take the two smallest pieces you can possibly grip. The outer sides don't stay. I still like to attempt to twist it. Twist, grabbing scalp, twisting that little piece right over. Grab a piece from the bottom, put it on top of the other piece. Literally just keep doing that in the direction that you want the twist to go in. Twist and twist and twist and twist and twist and twist and twist. And twist, and twist, and twist, and twist, and twist. Edges, the outer edge is usually like the most difficult to grab for me, just because I have a high top. It's just, you just want to have that product in there. But doing this will help you retain moisture, thus helping you retain length. Hair in the front is easier to grip. This isn't always cute. And I know I feel like y'all probably tired of hearing me say that this isn't always cute. It's like, I like to wear my hair like this, but I want my hair to be a little bit longer before I'll feel comfortable wearing these styles out again. Typically I wear my hair curly, as you'll see in my curly hair routine, but I'm gonna shut up and let you guys watch me twist, twist, twist. See, like this is coming out, but that's okay. Like I said, as long as product's on it at the end of it, like I really don't mind that at all. We interrupt this program. No, but real quick, I know you guys get super intimidated when I do flat twist videos on my channel. I want you guys to pay attention to the motions of my hand. Once you get comfortable with the motion of actually doing the flat twist, or once you get comfortable, once your hair gets long enough, then you can focus on making your flat twists more aesthetically pleasing. And when I say aesthetically pleasing, I mean make them look fire by parting them and slicking the hair down, but we're gonna have tutorials for that coming up within the next few weeks, months, or both, really, truly, honestly. Just waiting for my hair to get long enough to where it's actually like wearable and it'll get longevity. But anyway, and one last thing, let me know how you guys feel about the audio quality. I pretty much just edited the sound in the video to match the visual, so let me know if you guys prefer voiceovers or either way, it doesn't matter. Let me know what you guys think about that thing. Then at the end, I will literally just tuck that like so. With these little pieces, sometimes like I don't really like that it's like not twisted at all right there. So what I'll do is instead of doing the whole thing over, I'll just pull this little bit of hair out and kind of like just go right back over it and twist and twist and twist and twist and twist and twist and twist. Okay. We get it. But yeah, see, like right now, these sides are like, because I've been cutting them straight up, it's never going to stay in it. But that's fine as long as it's generally wrapped in to where the end is like tucked. So when I'm going to bed, what I'll do is I'll take my stocking cap or my wave cap and just take it right over here and pretty much just fold it at the edges, because when I don't fold it, it leaves a line on my forehead. When I fold it, it doesn't do that. I wanted to show you guys like that I wear my hats like this, but like I don't wear a stocking cap under my hat. This is just like because I'm gonna go to bed after I film this, so I don't want to mess up the twist. But like I want to show you guys that I wear a hat with this. So you don't know, because I have an undercut, so we're just giving you a regular haircut under here. Like, girl, it's not supposed to be a secret. If you're in between haircuts, or if you're not in between haircuts because you keep your hair cut, technically whenever you're not on the barber's chair or cutting your own hair, you're in between haircuts. So if you want to wear a hat, you can wear a hat with this. Or a lot of the time, call me extra, but realistically, when I'm going to bed, I'm staying in bed, I will wear 2 stocking caps and call it a day. If I'm like, you know, I'm gonna run a quick errand or something, or if I'm trying to like be like kind of cute. I have a big head. Do-rags suffocate my head, so I don't really like to wear them to sleep anymore. Like during the day, if I'm laying down, if I'm around, like, you know what I mean? I just like to wear do-rag because it's like, it's cuter than 2 stocking caps. So hold the end, because if not, again, that will mark my forehead and we don't got time for that. So fold the end, take this, tie it like so in the back, pull this down, and then make an X in the front, go again in the back, tie this back here, and then anytime I'm wearing a do-rag, I like to tuck it in. Let me change out of this do-rag and put on my hat. How I do my spiral flat twist on my super short natural hair. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like this kind of content on my channel. Any of your friends who have undercuts, who don't have undercuts, who have short natural hair and trying to grow their hair out, or like trying to find different ways to kind of protect their hair as they're growing it out, share this video with them. If you guys want to see my curly hair routine, be sure to leave a comment down below. I'll be sure to give you guys an update. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace! Bald headed on the side. When you gain weight, you want it to go to your ass, not to your head. Roberto, hear how thick I am. I'm not wearing Miss Bonet on camera. Sorry, hang it up. So, Charming is just silent. Oh, bye.
The cylinders in the roof, and I'm making me the loose. My cylinders in the groove. I get down with the comb. The telling when I'm a shoe. I just bang, bang, bang. Real killers in my groove. Your bullets in my unit. Face nowhere.